Hello guys, welcome back to my another video and in this video I am going to discuss another topic. Myself Zubair from group 324, and my topic is about topic number 15.5, that is phase transitions. The emergency of static order from disorder under thermodynamic equilibrium condition occurs through a phase transition in the transition region of a system is unstable. In a first order transition says that in the transition gas to liquid, the basic thermodynamic quantities, enthalpies, entropies, volume undergoes a breakdown. In a second order phase transition of the state of a system in continuously altered, but symmetry is changed in a discontinuous manner. In this case, the basic thermodynamic quantities but their derivatives are broken. Heat capacity, compressibility, and the thermal expansion coefficient in examples is the transition paramagnetic ferromagnetic at the Curie point. The points of phase transition are singular points at which the character of the functional dependence of a chemical potential on temperature and pressure is changed. As we have already seen, transition involving the appearance of space and or time order from equilibrium also occurs discontinuously, being associated with instabilities of the initial state. The transition of radiation atoms at the critical values of the optical pumping parameters to a coherent laser radiation exhibits all the specific features of a phase transition. Consider a simple physical example of electric circuit with a diode. The straightening dot line on the line graph represents a current that flows through a resistor as a function of the voltage on the diode, and the solid line represents the current voltage characteristics of the diode under steady state conditions, and currents that pass through the resistor and the diode must be equal. This is marked by the point A, B, and C. In order to determine the stability of these states, it is necessary, as it always the the case, to linear equations that describes the circuit near those states. The linearized circuit contains a capacitor connected parallel with the resistor R and the differential resistor d mu by di of the diode. If these two parallel resistances are positive, to the circuit is stable. This is valid for the point A and C but not for the point B. The system has two different stable steady states, A and C. It is a distable, and the transition form of one state of the another has the characteristics of a phase transition. The system is a flow non-equilibrium system. We shall now consider autocatalytic chemical reactions. We have already seen that the chemical processes of this kind can give rise to dynamic order. Consider the reaction A plus 2x gives 3x. The overall reaction A plus B giving C. The reaction rates are given by V1 is equal to K1 AX2 minus K1 A power cube, and V2 is equal to K2 BX K2C. Thank you. This is all from my side.